Hi, regardless on where you are located or which industry you serve, Rockwell Automation has the most complete and trusted motor control center portfolio. To start, let's talk about our NEMA low voltage MCC. Shao will bring more details about Centerline 2100.
Thank you, Mario. So yes, this is our Centerline 2100. This is our low voltage motor control center for the North American market. We've actually had this design now for the last 50 years, which really gives you some idea to its durability and its reliability. It's one of the reasons why we are a market leader and have been for the last few decades. So we can supply these MCCs in any number of ways. That includes 208 volts all the way up to 600 volts, 50 and 60 hertz systems, and bus ranging from 600 amp all the way up to 3200 amp. We have a variety of options that can be configured, such as starters, breakers, disconnects, variable frequency drives, soft starters, and even custom panels for certain customers. We have a few different options for networks, with Ethernet TCP/IP being the most common, and this allows for real data transfer to your plant for easy optimization. We also have a large distributor network that can help with sales, support, and service.
Next, let's take a look at our solution for customers in the IEC market. Diego will bring more details about the Flexline 3500.
The Flexline 3500 is the newest addition to the portfolio of low voltage motor control centers by Allen Bradley. It is designed to serve our customers based in countries that follow the IEC standards. For instance, customers in Latin America, in Europe, or in the Asia Pacific region. It is the perfect combination of motor control units and power distribution in one package. We are focused on providing our customers the safest solution for their motor operation, but as well providing the technology that minimizes the risk of downtime. For that, we have designed the most compact withdrawable units that can be replaced from the MCC. Units like this one, maintaining the continuity of the output in the production. We are helping as well our customers to select the most appropriate technology to drive the motors. They can choose between direct online starters, reversible online starters, variable frequency drives, soft starters, or feeder units. All of them packaged in the smallest possible withdrawable unit that will minimize the space required in the production facility. Additionally, all of the intelligent devices are connected via Ethernet IP, allowing our customers to read data in real time, taking informed decisions. And all of this data can be taken to the safety environment of the control operations room via IntelliCenter software that now belongs to the factory tool design studio. So in summary, the Flexline 3500 provides to our customers on the IEC side of the world a safe, reliable, and smart motor control center by Rockwell Automation.
Finally, let's take a look at our medium voltage solutions. Jeff will bring more details about the Centerline 1500.
When it comes to safety, good isn't good enough. Centerline 1500 motor control centers deliver greater peace of mind. Safety starts here. We stay up at night to improve your industrial manufacturing, processing, and production environments. Our smart, scalable design lets you customize capabilities to increase productivity and safety. We build medium voltage MCCs to meet your UL and NEMA requirements and much more. A breakthrough integrated earthing switch is now available. Exclusively from Rockwell Automation, the integrated earthing switch grounds all load side connections and load cables with the turn of a lever. This UL-approved innovation eliminates the need to manually attach hazardous temporary grounding devices. And it seamlessly incorporates into a Centerline 1500 MCC power cell.
One of the things that is very special about Allen Bradley MCC is how easy it is to see what's happening inside the MCC remotely. Suzanne will explain how it works at IntelliCenter.
When customers purchase Ethernet with their MCC, they can additionally purchase an IntelliCenter dataset and IntelliCenter software. The IntelliCenter software provides a digital representation of the user's MCC hardware, including the sections, the unit locations, the devices contained within those sections. The IntelliCenter software allows you to remotely monitor your hardware in real time to see what is going on, to see that remote running, ready, warning, fault, or comm loss statuses, so that you do not have to be in front of your hardware to know what's going on.
As you can see, we offer a wide range of solutions that meet your needs. Thank you for joining us this tour. Please reach out your Allen Bradley distributor or Rockwell sales office for more information.